Dyson V8 Absolute Code-Free Vacuum Cleaner. Product information. Get a free complete cleaning kit along with the purchase of Dyson V8 Absolute Vacuum Cleaner. Add all two products together in the cart to avail the offer at checkout. Advanced filtration. Captures allergens and expels cleaner air than the air you breathe. Powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V8. Spins at up to 110,000 rpm. Drives the Dyson V8 vacuum. Producing up to 115 air watts, it generates powerful suction. Two-tier radial cyclones. 15 cyclones create strong centrifugal forces to capture microscopic dirt. Two power modes. Switch between max mode for up to 7 minutes of high power and powerful mode for longer cleaning. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.